First word. Stop. Stop means रुको. Let's see one example. Stop your car on red light. लाल बत्ती पर अपनी कार रोकें. Second word. Wing. Wing means पंख. Let's see one example. Birds has two wings. पक्षियों के दो पंख होते हैं. Third word. Shake. Shake means हिलाना. Let's see one example. Shake your body. अपने शरीर को हिलाएं. Fourth word. Affect. Affect means प्रभाव. Let's see one example. Pollution has bad effect on body. प्रदूषण का शरीर पर बुरा प्रभाव पड़ता है. Fifth word. Character. Character means चरित्र. Let's see one example. He has not a good character. उसका अच्छा चरित्र नहीं है. Sixth word. Fever. Fever means बुखार. Let's see one example. I had fever yesterday. मुझे कल बुखार था. Seventh word. Married. Married means विवाहित. Let's see one example. We are married and we have a child. हम विवाहित हैं और हमारा एक बच्चा है. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.